Hey guys, how's it going? It's Nathan here. So I got a very special video. I got the Roborock S4 Max versus Sandcastle. Yes, craziness. So I use Sparkles to match a unicorn in a lot of my videos, and you can see that it doesn't go so well. Sparkles always gets knocked over or pushed around, so I designed a special little castle for him, so hopefully these roll-up vacuums can leave him alone. Let's see how well the Roborock S4 Max does picking up the sand. This is actually a special sand called kinetic sand, so what's designed to do is actually clump together, but it actually doesn't stick to any other objects, so this roll-up vacuum should be able to pick it up no problem. And stay tuned to my channel because I will do an in-depth review of the Roborock S4 Max. I did get this about a month ago and I've been using this as my daily driver, so we'll see how well the S4 Max holds up. I'll give you my thoughts on it later on. So if you're new to roll-up vacuums or if you're looking for a replacement, feel free to comment down below if you have any questions or concerns about these roll-up vacuums. Also, if you're looking to buy one, tell me about your floor plan. I'll be more than happy to walk you through what's the best roll-up vacuum for you. So one of the biggest buying factors besides the price is what type of floor plan you have. So for example, if you have a large floor plan, I do recommend a roll-up vacuum with LiDAR navigation. They tend to do really good with complex environments, also can cover a large area since they have a more systematic clean pattern. Now if you have a pet owner, I have tried out like the Shark IQ and also the Shark AI. Those are very good with pet hair. They have actually a special extractor bar that can clean out the hair. Also, I found like dual extractor bar designs, like on the Roombas, do a really good job picking up the hair. I found out they're really easy to clean their pet hair off as well. Alright, let's go ahead and pause the clean challenge and we'll see how much the Roborock S4 Max picked up. So this dustbin, I believe, is around 460 milliliters, so it's about standard for what the size dustbin is. As you can see, that it did pick up a fair amount of the sand. Well, it looks like this magical sandcastle is keeping Sparkle safe from the crazy mayhem that these royal vacuums cause, so Sparkle is still upright and he's not getting pushed around. Alright, let's keep on going with the recommendations here. So if you have a smaller floor plan, maybe 1500 square feet or less, I do recommend a royal vacuum that has a more of a random pattern. You don't necessarily have to spend $300 to $500 on a ladder-based royal vacuum or get all the bells and whistles. I find that these random-based royal vacuums do a really good job in smaller areas. And you can also get mopping system for both the smart navigating roll-up vacuums and also ones that do a more of a random pattern. Well, what do you guys think about the video so far? Looks like the S4 Max is doing its best to try to find a weakness and try to knock over Sparkles, but luckily I'm a master sandcastle builder, yeah, it's a joke, and it's keeping Sparkles well protected. Okay, let's go and speed up this video. I did have this guy run 3 times to see if it can knock over Sparkles, and unfortunately the S4 Max fails. So let's go and grab more of a random base or a vacuum that's slightly more aggressive. So this is the Musu MT501. I just reviewed this robot vacuum. Very interesting little guy because it has both a random base option and a gyro base option, so it gives them more of a systematic cleaning pattern. So you may notice the aggressiveness of this robot vacuum. Well, that's because this one doesn't have a physical bump sensor up front, just relies on infrared sensors. But you can see that it does have a more of a systematic cleaning pattern. And then when I switch it over to more of a random pattern, it can just go around your room. Great for the smaller areas. So this is something I recommend if you just want an easy to use robot vacuum. Not a lot of thrills or app features, but it just cleans very well. Well, what do you guys think? It looks like Sparkles wins. He wasn't knocked over, so good job, Sparkles. Looks like the Roborock actually did a pretty good job picking up the sand here, and Musu didn't fare so well. Kind of picked up just a little bit. But for the most part, this is just a stress test. Wanted to see if these Roborock vacuums can actually pick up sand. So have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys next time. See you later.